What's going on, everybody? We're here with the TESBOX Cybertruck edition. Do a little unboxing here and see what's inside. This is month 3 of the box. So first off, really like what they did on the outside. This is a cool little kind of stencil spray paint pattern they put on here, and this is easily the biggest box we've gotten so far. Compare it to the other ones. So here's the month 1 and month 2 box, and as you can see, the test box kind of dwarfs it in size. It's about the size of 2 test boxes. So let's get inside this thing and see what we've got this month. Got some cool stuff I'm seeing right away. So got a Cybertruck t-shirt. I'm gonna take that out right now and actually take a look at that, because that looks really cool. Got the Cybertruck kind of stencil design on there. I really like that. It looks nice. Really soft t-shirt too, so that feels like it's gonna be comfortable. Set that to the side. As always, check out TESBOX on their Instagram and check out their website. I'll have it linked down in the description, and make sure you check that out if you want to get in on this Tesla subscription service. This has got some really strong glue on it, so I'm just going to rip the top off of this. So this says for emergency window or glass breaking needs only, alluding to the Cybertruck glass breaking.
Oh my God.
And this looks like a little glass breaking tool for in your car. So if you need to break your glass for some reason, if your car goes underwater, I know some cars will include these inside, so probably throw that in my glove box just for an emergency. If I ever need it, I can break my window glass. We've got some Cybertruck stickers here. We've got the Cybertruck kind of word mark logo and a little Cybertruck color sticker right there. And this looks really cool. Let's get the box out of the way so we can get a closer look at this. This looks like a kind of like wood burned stencil of the Cybertruck. That's really neat. I'm not sure where I'm gonna hang this, but this is definitely going on the wall somewhere. Probably have to stick it up somehow, but that is really cool. Again, I've got my affiliate link down in the description below if you wanna get in on these test boxes. They send them out every month with all kinds of Tesla merchandise and fun stuff if you're looking to beef up your Tesla collection. So have that link down below. Go check them out. And as always, thanks for watching.